What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video from Zientek Zone. Today, we're gonna be making a cake. It's gonna be a beautiful cake. It's for a client. Me and my fiance have a cake business, and somebody ordered a cake. It's gonna be a big, delicious cake. It's gonna be pink. Hey, it's gonna be the best thing you've ever seen. So y'all, stick around, and we will be headed to the grocery store. Ran it to HEB. Gotta get the cake stuff. Booyah. What you think about it?
Busy.
I guess we ain't gonna get no buggy.
I mean, you could.
Alright, we are gonna get a buggy.
I said I'll wait right here.
Well, I don't know where they are. Oh yeah. Boys. Trying to take stuff.
I don't even know where the food is at here.
All you gotta do is look at the dog.
Maybe like this way. These are cute. Look at these. These are cute. I don't really have any.
What are your thoughts on the molds?
Huh?
What are your thoughts?
They're cute.
Bed that has these little bitty things coming up in it.
I think it's this way. Ma'am, what are you looking at?
Makeup.
Good lord.
I can look at whatever I want.
Alright guys, that's pretty much all we need in HEB. Say what's up.
What's up?
Just cake mix and some powdered sugar. And I'll see you guys when we're making the cake. Booyah. Alright boys, we came to Hobby Lobby to get us a box for the cake. What kind of box we getting?
For the cake.
She don't know nothing.
Should have recorded that.
Gotta maneuver, boys.
Oh, look at this mold. Oh, baby.
Let me see. Fucking alien.
You look like an alien.
Okay. Alright guys, we made it to the box section. Let's see which one we get. I don't got no box.
We still need these.
Do we?
Yes.
Good grief. Good Lord, boys. Get you some cake boxes.
Dang, they don't even have the nice ones. They're just,
Hobby Lobby, what the hell?
they're just the old flimsy one.
Them work. Hey, you get what you get. You don't throw a fit. Boys, we got the box. It's not the best kind, as you can tell by the growl, but it'll work. It'll hold.
See, I need to get
It'll
them,
hold.
I need to get them here.
You need to get you some dowel rods.
Shut it.
I'm gonna get you some dowel rods. Gonna get you some. Get you some. You ain't got no dowel rods. What you gonna do? Alright, boys. We'll see y'all. We're making the cake. Oh, yeah. What's happening, boys? Made it back to the crib. Gonna start on this cake. Yeah. Look at this beautiful machine.
Oh wait, they're not
Get you one.
They're not supposed to know that we make the picture of the cake box, of the box.
Why not?
But
Sift the dry ingredients. Hey, life changer. How many eggs you put in there?
3.
Get you 3 eggs. That's 2 right now. Got one more. Y'all wanna see our cats? Look at all them little hoodlums. They all just stare at you. Alright, I'll see y'all whenever we get this all mixed up. Boom! That sift in action. Come on, sift it. Sift it.
shush.
She don't like me. She hates me. She beats me. She beats me. I'm a video of my mom when she gets in here. Good Lord, got me working. Get you some Miss Crisco in you. Put your eggs in. Make sure you preheat your oven. Pretty sure it's 350. Perfect amount of oil. Look at that. Reminds me of myself. Perfect. Ain't that right? She loves me. Hey, kittens. Come here. Come here, Mocha, the little bobcat. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey, Milo. That's Milo. He doesn't like me. There's Kitty. She's rude. Alright, I'll see y'all when it's mixed up. Make sure you fan your pans. Say that 10 times fast, boys. Boys, we're almost ready for some banana bread. They almost ready, dog. I think we're gonna make muffins, actually. Are we gonna make muffins? Muffins. Banana muffins. Alright, she's done mixing. Let me turn this around. We're gonna get a little pour action. Once she figures out what she's done, pour it in the little pans. Be slow-mo. Make it slow motion. Chocolatey goodness. Is that funny, ma'am?
No. So they both have like about the same amount?
You'll be right. You did good. What?
Good fuck.
Oh. I think it would have been cooler. Perfect. How long should they be in the oven, ma'am?
Well, that's not ready yet.
What's not ready?
I'm gonna do this batch and put them on at the same time.
Oh. Got another batch to mix up. See you boys when it's ready. Alright boys, look what we having tonight. That's right. I'm cooking them. Put the cakes in the oven now. I'm gonna do it at 350 for 25 minutes. 25, 30 minutes. Make sure that cooked all the way through. Good job. Got anything to say? How are they gonna turn out?
Wonderful.
Huh?
Wonderful.
Okay. Alright. Make sure you wash the dishes after you get done. Like that right there. Hot water and soap. For y'all that didn't know. Okay, I'm back in. Okay, my meal, boys.
Checking to see if they're ready.
Make sure you check to see if your cake's ready, boys. They ready? Perfect. Alright guys, so now we start to make the buttercream. This is Nate right here, look here. Is it? Well, for buttercream, first ingredient, butter. How do you do it, ma'am? Tell the people. You need butter, powdered sugar, and heavy cream.
All this bacon going on, I gotta eat one of these old sour brownies.
Y'all don't mind that background noise. They're good brownies, they ain't bad.
Ain't no wrong with little things,
I'll see y'all when the buttercream's done. Oh. Alright guys, now we're starting to ice the cake. First we're putting buttercream on it, just white.
Crumb coat.
It's called a crumb coat. I'm not really any baking expert, but it's called a crumb coat. Look at how easy that is. We're professionals. Well, she's a professional. Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
Huh? Are you?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, we know what we're doing. But yeah, this cake's gonna be pink. I'll see y'all whenever we start putting the pink layer on. Talk amongst yourselves. So the icing will harden up and we'll put another layer of icing on it. What do you think? So guys, she's doing the final layer of icing on the cake. And then she's gonna decorate it and put it back in the freezer so it'll harden up a little bit. And then I'll show it to y'all whenever it's completely done. All right guys, so the cake is complete. She did a magnificent job. Look at it. I'll take some cool shots of it and I will roll them now. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Leave a like if you thought the cake was beautiful, which it was. And make sure to subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments if y'all like these daily vlogs. If not, let me know what y'all want us to do, or just me, or just her. It's okay. Either way, you got anything to say?
Like and subscribe.
Peace.